Namaste and greeting once again. We are here again to take you to the journey of fitness, of calmness of mind, of stability of emotions and proper flow of prana. Welcome once again. I am Ila.
I am Sanatan.
And we shall begin with our session now. So kindly sit in Sukhasana. It's a cross-legged position as we sit normally. Put your hands in Chin Mudra, which is the index finger and the thumb joining, and gently close your eyes. We will begin with a small silence. Relax your shoulders, no tension on your shoulders, and relax your entire body. Keep a beautiful smile on your lips. One smile can change the entire chemistry of your body. Slowly bring your concentration at the tip of your nose and concentrate on your breath. Every breath that is going in and every breath that is coming out. Just your breath and nothing else. Breath is very central to yoga. It's a connection between your body and your mind. It acts as a bridge. अपने श्वसन की तरफ जागरूक रहें। हर आती हुई और जाती हुई सांस पर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित करेंगे। सांस पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने से हमारा मन चंचल नहीं रहता है। When we concentrate on our breath, the mind is not restless. It starts getting stable. We will begin with the chanting of Om. Keep your spine erect. Breathe in deeply. Breathe in again. Breathe in again. Namaskar Mudra for the prayers. Join your palms together near your heart. Keep your eyes closed. Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu. भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
सवीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विना
तेजस्विना
वधीतमस्तु
वधितमस्तु
मा वेद
मा वेद
विषावहै
विषावहै
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Now slowly rub your palms. Make a hollow in between and put them on your eyes closed. Slowly bring down your hands. Now we will go for our loosening practices along with Sukshma Vyayam to release all the stiffness from the muscles and joints. So we will come to standing position now. We shall begin with our loosening practices. So starting from the neck as we did last time, neck exercises. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring to the center. Now we will move our neck left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bending of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now comes the shoulders. A quick rotation of the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now elbow joints. So when you throw your hands down, open the fists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Finger loosening in a different way today. So bring your fingers together like this. Yes. And now what we will do is we will open our fingers and press them together so the joints of phalanges becomes loosened up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Hands down. Now we go to the waist. So waist rotation. You can keep your legs apart a bit. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ulta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we go to the knees. So put your palms on the knees and up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Ankle joints. So if you can't maintain the balance, you can put your palms on your waist and just 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your eyes and relax. We will chant Om. Breathe in. Now we will go for Tariyak Tadasana, a quick revision like last time we did. So interlock your fingers, keep your legs apart, take the hands up, stretch towards the roof, see that the palms face the ceiling and your biceps are touching your ears. We will move to the right side first. So as you exhale, you will go to the right side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your hands down gently and relax. Your waist is very beautifully stretched. Hands in and out breathing. A quick revision. So palms in front of you. As we inhale, we will spread the palms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue. Breathe in. Spread. The chest spreads. Breathe out. Breathe in. See, the movement have to be very slow. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed so that you can concentrate on your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hands down. Close your eyes and relax your shoulders. One more time, chanting of Om. This will help us to reinforce our relaxation. Breathe in deeply. Last time we had learned Vajrasana. I hope you all have practiced, and we will quickly revise our Vajrasana and we'll go a step forward to Vajrasana today. So for Vajrasana, first you have to sit in Dandasana, which is stretching your legs. Legs are apart, hands behind you. This is a relaxation position for all sitting postures. This is known as Shithil Dandasana, relaxing Dandasana. Now to come to Vajrasana, we have to come to proper Dandasana where we will join our legs. Hands by the side, elbows straight. We will start by folding off one leg first. One. Slowly fold the leg under the buttock, then the other leg. Fold it. Sit on your heels, not on your toes. Put your palms on your knees. This is called Vajrasana. Last time we had told you that if you cannot sit in Vajrasana, you can put a cushion between your buttocks and heels, or maybe even cushion under your ankle joints if it pains a lot. For those who have very bad knee pain, please do not try Vajrasana. Now, this is Vajrasana. Today, from Vajrasana, we will try to go a step further to the next asana, which is known as Sashank Asana. Sashank basically has two meanings. It is a rabbit and it is also called the moon. Most of the yogic postures are taken from animals and nature. So when you do these postures, a natural thing comes inside us. We will see Sashank Asana today. So for this, take both your hands behind you in Vajrasana. Hold the right wrist with the left palm like this. And try to keep your elbows straight. Now slowly inhale, stretch back. And while exhaling, you start coming down gradually. Do not come down suddenly. Yogic movements are very slow and graceful. Now this is Sashank Asana, sitting like a rabbit. Now for those who cannot put their head down, or those who have high blood pressure, there is another way of doing it is, you can bring your hands in front of you and take a support of your palms. A very relaxing position, yes? Any asana to have effect must be practiced minimum for 30 seconds. It is not a physical exercise, so for hormones to secrete in the body, for internal organs to act properly, we need to sit into that posture for some time, starting minimum 30 seconds. So you can count while sitting in this position and the posture starts working for you. Now slowly release the position. Come back to Vajrasana. And if you want to stretch in Vajrasana, we can still do one more position, that is Parvatasana in Vajrasana, where you can interlock your fingers and put your hands up like this. Stretch. See that your hands are touching the ears. A very beautiful stretching position in Vajrasana. Slowly exhale and release. Remember, when you are in a particular asana, your breathing has to be normal. Do not stop your breathing anywhere. Now slowly release your left leg, unfold it, and release your right leg, and just loosen it up a bit and relax. When you relax, you reinforce your relaxation with some chantings. It could be ah, it could be ooh, it could be anything, but it enhances our relaxation. So in this position today we can chant probably sound. So breathe in deeply. Very good. So we practiced two positions today, that is from Vajrasana we went into Sashankasana, which is very good for our spine. But if you are suffering from a lot of back pain and high blood pressure, you better do not do it. It's also very good for your digestion. And we did Parvatasana, which we can do, everybody can do. Now after this, we will get into Shavasana or the corpse position. So what you have to do is just relax now for some time. Your hands should be apart from the waist, legs 1 to 2 feet apart, and you relax your entire body. अपने पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ देंगे। आसनों के बाद योग निद्रा या रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक या शवासन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सारा ध्यान श्वसन पर, पेट कैसे उठ रहा है और गिर रहा है इस पे ध्यान देंगे। वॉच योर अब्डोमिनल मूवमेंट्स। Now as you inhale, you inflate your abdomen up like a balloon, and as you exhale, bring your abdomen down. So synchronization of abdominal movement along with the breath. This helps us to relax our body, and once you are able to relax your body, the mind also calms down. So 4 to 5 times deep breathing along with abdominal movements. As you inhale, the abdomen goes up. As you exhale, the abdomen goes down. Breathe in deeply now to chant one Om, which will help to relax the entire body with vibrations of the sound. Breathe in. Breathe in again. Feel the vibrations throughout your body. Now slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of the body. Take your right hand above the head. Fold your left knee and turn to your right side with your ears resting on the bicep muscles. Now keeping the other hand in front of your chest on the floor, slowly rise up. Now whenever friends you rise up, don't suddenly rise up from the bed like this, or after doing the asana. You should always bend to the side and then get up. Otherwise there comes a pressure on your spine, which might actually have fatal effects. So we come back to Shaithilya Dandasana. Relax for some time and then sit in Sukhasana. Chin Mudra, eyes closed. Concentrate on your breath once again, and after the entire practice, feel the changes in your body. We shall end the session with the prayers. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms together. Put them on your eyes. Give a massage on your face and relax. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you. Thank you, Sanat.